John Paul's rope has snapped.
Too much power!
Too much power, roars John Paul. Well, maybe so, and the crowd is warming to this Icelandic extrovert.
On your marks and get set!
And he's set off like a sprinter. He literally threw that one onto the barrel. Now the third one. Yes, and the sheer athleticism of this man is quite staggering. And now just that fifth stone. It's there. What an absolutely fantastic performance. And surely now there can be no doubt whatever that John Paul Sigmarsson richly deserves the title of the world's strongest man. And a little slalom now from the champion. He's really fired up. And all the world's a stage for this man.
Okay, come on then. This is going to be great. Come on, fellas. Oh, look at this. Come on, fellas. Come on. Oh.
John Paul Sigmarsson of Iceland. On your marks and get set!
Not an event that would likely give John Paul many qualms. Oops! That cannot be for the knacker's yard after that. Well, John Paul might have hurt his leg, but it doesn't show. Well, he really can't get enough of this challenge. You obviously don't need jacks in Iceland. Oh, it's very fast.
Icelandic blood. Viking blood.
The length of the course is developing between them, and perhaps Jeff, with his third barrel and still holding on, feels Sigmarsson might make some foolish mistake. It's now the only way the Icelander will go under. But Capes is now beginning to look as if this is his last barrel. Sigmarsson's fourth barrel is on, but now they're companions again. Now the bond of their size and strength is detaining Sigmarsson to will Capes on, for the end apparently is nigh. Capes is finished, but there's enough strength to raise a very important arm in quick recognition of his crown having passed hands. But the new champion has to finish to get maximum score, and this he wishes to do to prove a point. The point being is that he has so much in reserve.
I am the strongest one! I am from Iceland!
His final tactics coming straight from John Wayne at the Alamo. And there's little danger of John Paul being disqualified for his last lift. After all, he surely deserves the good things in life as the world's strongest man.
John Paul Sigmarsson claims to be the world's strongest man. He stands 6'2", weighs a muscular 21 stone and has a 57-inch chest. 3 times he's won a competition to find the world's strongest man. And in Finland this month, he has a shot at a 4th title. Now the most popular sportsman in Iceland, his fans include the country's Prime Minister.
We in Iceland value a healthy lifestyle very highly. And he's a very good example for the young and old people of Iceland. He lives a very healthy life, takes his cod liver oil in the morning, eats the right food, and takes a lot of exercise. And that's what we all need to do as much as possible.
Body
language. Give me your body. Just give me your body. Give me your body. Don't talk. Body language. Body language. Body language.